The First Source automated roof truss system is revolutionizing the construction landscape by using robots to assemble roof trusses with unparalleled precision and efficiency. This groundbreaking innovation turns the traditional roofing process on its head. This system streamlines the construction process by using robotic arms to accurately cut and assemble trusses, reducing waste and the potential for human error. It can handle complex designs and trusses up to 60 feet in length. Additionally, it enhances workplace safety by removing the risks associated with manual labor. The First Source automated roof truss system is revolutionizing roof construction by leading the way toward a future of efficiency, precision, and safety, one truss at a time. Yellow cedar barn shakes, known for their rustic charm and durability, are crafted with meticulous skill. Skilled artisans split Alaska yellow cedar logs, coaxing out thin, wedge-shaped shakes by following the wood's natural grain. This splitting along the grain ensures strength. Yellow cedar's tighter grain can sometimes be less consistent, demanding even greater precision from the artisan. Once split, the shakes are meticulously shaped and dried to meet strict standards. The result? A stunning and resilient roof, echoing the enduring spirit of classic barn architecture. Veneer production transforms logs into thin wood layers using cutting machines, streamlining efficiency. This process involves slicing logs into veneer sheets, followed by drying, gluing, and pressing to produce strong, consistent panels. Precision machinery plays a crucial role in ensuring the rapid and high-quality creation of veneers suitable for diverse woodworking projects. This method not only maximizes the use of wood, but also caters to the demand for uniform, aesthetically pleasing wood products across various applications. Discover the innovative portable cup cutter, a game changer for log construction. This compact machine can effortlessly cut precise cups into cylinder logs up to 14 inches in diameter, right on the construction site. Its unique holding device, perfected in March 2016, simplifies alignment and eliminates the risk of internal shock damage, ensuring smooth operation without needing to halt the motor. The PCC 360 is capable of producing full and half cups, as well as angled cups with an additional accessory. It weighs just about 110 pounds, making it easily portable by 2 people and fitting in a car trunk. The machine's adjusting feet and clamps guarantee high precision in every cut, while crown cutters ensure clean, chip-free results. The Triumph 900 Premium Band Sawmill revolutionizes lumber processing with its state-of-the-art design and features. As a standout in the woodworking industry, this horizontal stationary sawmill is engineered to produce an array of wood products with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Meeting rigorous safety standards, it delivers continuous, reliable operation. Its innovative 8-degree sawing angle reduces blade load and enhances lumber quality, while the calibrated rolled steel rail track and unique tensioning system ensure smooth and optimal performance. With high-quality saw wheels, a precision carriage rack, and a user-friendly control panel, the Triumph 900 is built for durability and ease of use. Its adjustable pulley bearings and dimensional ruler facilitate quick, accurate adjustments, making it an indispensable tool for serious woodworkers seeking quality and efficiency. The Maho Minimax is a portable sawmill that can transform fallen trees into valuable lumber. It is designed to be towed behind your truck and features a 37 horsepower engine capable of handling logs up to 36 inches in diameter and 20 feet long. The Minimax is user-friendly and designed for efficient one-man operation. Its automated head and precise hydraulics deliver straight, accurate cuts at a surprisingly fast feed rate. The Minimax is not just a tool for hobbyists. It excels in serious production environments, capable of sawing 6-8 cubic meters of lumber per day. Its compact size and portability make it ideal for off-grid and remote operations, proving that big things indeed come in small packages. Hamilton Lee Supply is a leading company in the wood industry, specializing in the meticulous process of transforming trees into exquisite live-edge slabs. Recently, they showcased their expertise by cutting a silver maple tree while preserving its natural contours and edges. This specialized cutting technique emphasizes the tree's unique organic shape, ensuring that each slab retains a touch of the wilderness that inspired it. Hamilton Lee Supply's live-edge slabs highlight the natural beauty and elegance of the wood, adding a rustic charm to any project. They are a favorite among designers, craftsmen, and homeowners who want to incorporate a distinctive, natural element into their spaces. The Turbo 505 SE isn't your average nail gun. This industrial powerhouse is a tandem pallet nailer built for speed and efficiency. Imagine churning out up to 1,800 pallets per shift thanks to its rapid-fire nailing system and automated processes. But it's not just about speed. The SE boasts an impressive 15% faster cycle time than the standard model, maximizing your output. Operating it is surprisingly easy, requiring only 3 crew members. The intuitive controls and quick changeovers ensure minimal downtime, while the extended catwalk provides ample space for safe and efficient operation. The wood rod rounding semi-automatic machine can transform rough square stock into smooth, consistent dowels in seconds. This handy tool streamlines the process, saving you time and effort compared to manual method. To use it, simply feed your square wood stock, typically up to 2 inches thick and 8 feet long, into the automated feed rollers. The rotating cutter head, equipped with sharp blades, shaves the wood into a perfect circle as it passes through. The machine can produce dowels at rates of up to 10 feet per minute. The OptiJoint V8 is not an ordinary saw. This high-speed vertical finger jointing machine can transform scraps and short pieces of wood into high-quality lumber lengths up to 20 feet long. With this technology, it is possible to create long beams, door frames, or furniture components without the need for expensive, lengthy planks. The V8 cuts interlocking fingers on lumber, ends with precision, then glues and presses them together for seamless, strong joints. With a powerful 37 horsepower engine, this machine can process both hardwoods and softwoods at a rate of up to 100 pieces per minute. The turnkey optimized sawmill by Mendes McQueenis offers a complete sawmill solution that can be delivered and set up within days. This powerhouse includes a robust saw line capable of handling logs up to 36 inches in diameter and 20 feet long, making it perfect for new or expanding sawmilling operations. High-precision scanners optimize cutting for maximum yield, while automated systems handle log feeding, sawing, and board edging. Mendes McQueenis offers customizable configurations to match your specific needs, from log sorting and debarking to lumber stacking and sorting. Their expert team handles everything from initial planning to installation and training, ensuring a smooth transition. The Sherwood of 32-cylinder milling machine is an innovative tool for woodworking, specifically designed for enterprises that specialize in cylindrical loghouse components. It can craft logs into precise diameters ranging from 7.1 to 12.6 inches and incorporates advanced features to streamline production. The machine is equipped with 2 hydraulic cylinders for effortless log positioning and adjustment before clamping, ensuring optimal preparation for milling. The Sherwood of 32 can install a scraper conveyor within its frame for efficient waste disposal. Optional hydraulic systems are available for loading raw logs, unloading finished products, and facilitating sequential log feeding, enhancing productivity. It is ideal for woodworking enterprises aiming to produce up to 211,000 cubic feet of finished goods annually in a 2-shift operation. The Sherwood of 32 merges precision, efficiency, and scalability in log cabin manufacturing. The Moorbark 1100 tub grinder is a powerful machine used for wood recycling and land clearing. With a 650 horsepower engine, it can easily turn large piles of wood waste, tree branches, and stumps into manageable chips. Its 11-foot diameter tub opening allows it to handle even the toughest materials. The grinder pulls material into the hammer mill, where it is shredded into fine pieces for easy disposal or recycling. This machine is designed for heavy-duty operations while minimizing downtime. Its mobility allows for use in various locations, making it a versatile tool for forestry professionals and large-scale landscapers seeking to process wood waste efficiently. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of some of the most innovative and powerful machinery in the woodworking and construction industries today. From the ease of making kindling with a dedicated machine, to the precision of cutting large logs, crafting intricate furniture, assembling roof trusses robotically, and even recycling wood waste efficiently, we've seen how technology is reshaping the way we work with wood and build our world. These tools not only offer the promise of increased efficiency and precision, but also open up new possibilities for creativity and design. Whether you're in the market for one of these machines or just fascinated by the advancements in the field, we hope this video has provided valuable insights and inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.